Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we'll look at question of June 2014, which is of 4.75 marks. The question is, let u of x by be the extremal of this functional j of u, where D is the open disk in R square. Then u satisfies which of these? So, what we are given the region D, some disk in R2, open disk in R2. Open disk means you just have this region without the boundary, right? And we need to find the extremal to this functional in this given region D. So, let us look at the form of this functional. In this functional, we have x, y and u as our variables. Here x and y are two independent variables and y is our dependent variables. So, the variational is equal to 0, which gives the extremal. Here provides us with the Euler's-Ostrogradski equation, which is the partial derivative of f with respect to dependent variable, which is u in this case, minus partial derivative of f with respect to ux of with respect to x minus the partial derivative with respect to y of f of uy is equivalent to 0. That is, in this case, you just have this term extra in comparison to the previous form of Euler equation, right. So, let us just solve it. The function f is this one. So, f of u would be derivative with respect to u of f, that would be e to the power x y minus curly by curly x of the partial derivative of f with respect to u x, that would be due to this term, it would be u x, and minus partial derivative with respect to y of this f, that would be u of y is equivalent to 0. So, we have e to the power x y minus u x x, the double derivative of u with respect to x, minus u y y is equivalent to 0. So, we have u x x plus u y y is equivalent to e to the power x y. So, corresponding to this extremal, option B is the right option, right. So, this cannot be the solution, this cannot be the solution. To check, what about D? So, obviously B is the solution. What about D? What is D? That is the double integration with respect to D of u x x plus u y y minus e to the power x y h x y dx dy is equal to 0 for every smooth h vanishing on the boundary of D. So, you have a smooth function h of x comma y which vanishes on this boundary, that is, it is equivalent to 0 on the boundary. This is given to you. So, here when you put the variation of this j is equivalent to 0, that is in accordance with this equation, you will get this condition. So, basically this condition could be explained using this lemma. The lemma says that if you have some function alpha x y, which is a fixed function and which is continuous in the closed region R. So, in our case this is this, and if the integral this vanishes for every function h. So, in our question this integral vanishes for every h which has continuous first and second derivatives on R and equals to 0 on the boundary, and this h is equal to 0 on the boundary. So, then alpha is 0 everywhere, right. So, obviously a D is a correct option according to this lemma. So, the correct options to our question are B and D. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts or suggestions, please write in our comment box. Moreover, if you wanted to look at the theory of these questions, the link is given in the description. You can see the detailed videos for these course Calculus of Variation. Thank you again for watching the video.